Go.
That's a Jake wash.
You ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Is it raining on you?
Jake wash. Go, run through the Jake wash.
Look at him go. Wow, very good, Jake.
Run through the Jake wash. It's not a car wash, it's a Jake wash.